Yes, student, the third important factor, it is change in the pressure on equilibrium reaction. Student, actually the pressure do not affect the value of Kc. Getting, but we know that the pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Getting Boyle's law, and volume is directly proportional to number of mole of gases, Avogadro's law. So by these two laws we can write P is inversely proportional to N, that is the pressure is inversely proportional to number of mole of gases. Remember, the pressure related to what? Gases. So this law, this effect is especially affect when the gases, reactants or molecules are present. Okay, in solid and liquid it is not considered. It is considered for gaseous substance only. Okay, remember. Now, as we know that the pressure is inversely proportional to number of mole. That is, if number of mole is lesser, there will be high pressure, and if number of mole is high, then there will be lesser pressure. Are you getting? That means what? That means the pressure changes only occurred or affects when the number of moles of reactant and the products are different. Number of mole of reactants or product are different. That is, we have to count first the gaseous species of reactant, and then we have to count the gaseous species of product, and then we have to compare in which side there is lesser number of mole of gases or higher number of mole of gases, okay, reactants and products. So it affects only when number of mole of gases are not same of product and reactant. Further, as we know, the pressure is inversely proportional to number of mole. Pressure is inversely proportional to number of mole. Like, if we increase the pressure, the number of mole will decrease. If we decrease the pressure, the number of mole will increase. Are you getting? So, first one, that is the first case for this reaction, and suppose we are imposing the pressure by increasing the pressure. So, if we increase the pressure, reaction will shift to direction where number of moles is lesser. Okay, like here is the vessel, and earlier there are 1, 2, 3, 4 moles. If we increase the pressure, obviously what? Volume will decrease. That is what? Number of mole will decrease. That is, the more reactant will come close and will react to give the product. Are you getting? That means what? If the pressure is increases, then the reaction will shift to the direction where lesser number of moles are present. Like N2, it is gas, 1 mole. H2, 3 moles are there, it is again gas. NH3, it is again gas, but it is only 2 moles. So, in product side 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 moles, but in reactant side only 2 moles. So, if we increase the pressure, the reaction will take place to lesser number of mole direction. For the particular this reaction, it will be forward direction. Getting? But if we check the next equation, N2O4, again it is what? In gaseous state. Okay, gives 2NO2 gaseous state, and then equilibrium will establish between these two. A particular set of condition of pressure. Now, number of mole of N2O4 is 1. Here number of mole of NO2 is 2. That is, now the lesser number of mole is which side? It is in reactant side. Hence, number of moles of reactant side is lesser. So, on increasing pressure, the reaction will shift to lesser number of mole. That is, now for the particular reaction, the reaction will shift to backward direction. So, student, here we have to not learn like the reaction will shift to forward direction or backward direction, but we have to emphasize more on counting the number of moles of gases, of reactants and products. Then we have to compare whether they are same or they are different. Then we have to check at which side lesser number of moles is there or larger number of or more number of moles are there. and then we have to see whether the pressure is increases or the pressure is decreases. Like for this reaction, what will be the effective pressure is decreases. Besides of increasing, if we say pressure is decreases, so on decreasing pressure, the reaction will shift to the direction where number of mole is higher. And now the number of mole is higher in the reactant side, that is on decreasing pressure, reaction will shift to backward direction. That is for the same reaction, if the pressure is decreases, the reaction will shift to more number of moles direction, that is backward direction. Similarly here, if you decrease the pressure, the reaction will shift to the direction where more number of moles are present, that is now it will take in forward direction. Case number third, H2 gas react with I2 gas to gives 2Hi. Now the number of mole is 1 mole plus 1 mole is equal to 2 mole, and product side again what 2 mole. That is what number of mole of gases of reactant is equal to number of mole of gases of product. That is here there is no change in number of moles of gases of reactant and product. So on increasing pressure or decreasing pressure there will be no effect at all. Getting? In next class we will discuss the conceptual question about the content.
तो हो गया